A handshake in Belarus is making waves across the world. 2 U.S. Air Force lieutenant colonels were filmed greeting Belarusian Defense Minister Viktor Krenin at the Borisovsky training ground, the first American military officers to attend Russian-Belarusian war games since Moscow's 2022 invasion of Ukraine. The drills, called Zapad 2025, are no small exercise. Fighter jets, drones and helicopters thundered overhead, while troops fired mortars, missiles and rifles. Even motorcycles were used in simulated combat. Russia's Deputy Defense Minister Yunusbek Yevkurov joined the spectacle, underscoring Moscow's grip on its ally. Belarus insists the exercises are defensive, aimed at repelling an enemy attack and retaking lost ground. But NATO is unsettled. The drills come days after Poland shot down Russian drones that crossed its airspace, prompting Warsaw to close its border with Belarus. Krenin welcomed the Americans with open arms, telling them, "We'll show you whatever you're interested in. You can see for yourself. Talk to people." Belarusian state media called their attendance a surprise twist, pointing to the presence of 23 foreign delegations, including NATO members Turkey and Hungary, as well as China and Ethiopia. The timing is no coincidence. Just last week, Trump's envoy John Cole met President Alexander Lukashenko in Minsk, saying the US wanted to reopen its embassy, normalize ties, and boost trade. He carried a personal letter from Trump and left with Lukashenko's pledge to release 52 prisoners, including journalists. Trump also lifted sanctions on Belarus's state airline Belavia, letting it buy and service Boeing jets. For Lukashenko, long branded Europe's last dictator, the moves offered legitimacy, even as he continues to host Russian tactical nuclear weapons on his soil. Analysts are split. Some say Trump hopes to peel Belarus away from Moscow, a long shot. Others believe he wants to use Lukashenko as a back channel to Putin for a potential Ukraine deal. But the optics are stark. American officers in uniform standing inside Belarus, watching Russian war games. For NATO, it's a diplomatic gamble that blurs the line between confrontation and quiet cooperation.